One of our clients over at Curbside Laundries is selling his business, and I'm helping him out because he has to sell due to personal reasons. But this is also just an amazing opportunity for somebody looking to just crush it and wash and fold and pick up and delivery and just hit the ground running and then some. So in just 2 years, this owner, with our help, grew his business to over $500,000 in wash and fold. Take a look at his year-over-year growth. For example, in July 2022, he grossed nearly $50,000. And just 1 year ago, during the same month, he grossed $20,000. We're talking about a 2.5 times growth. In many months, he saw even greater growth. And he's actually turning down business. He's waiting for more washers to arrive in the mail. And then he's going to be able to just do even more business. And there's a general manager who runs the day-to-day. So again, it's just a great opportunity. And it's not just the wash and fold business he's selling. It's 2 different laundromats. One laundromat they own, one they're leasing. It also includes 3 vehicles, 2 brand new cargo vans and 1 box truck. So they're asking $950,000. And in my opinion, that is just way too low. I think it's because a lot of laundry owners may be looking at that brand new shiny store, but here you've got a business that's already up and running with just an amazing location, and the future is unlimited. I mean, they're just tapping the surface. So if you're interested in this opportunity with wash and fold that has tremendous growth potential, 2 locations, and you already have the revenue stream, I mean, that's one way of lowering your risk is when you already know there's a revenue stream. And there's a general manager who handles the day-to-day. So it doesn't get better than that. We recently helped a client get a 5 times multiplier. And knowing that this business has a general manager who runs the day-by-day, I mean, this is just, in my opinion, it's a fire sale. So hopefully somebody good gets in there and helps take this business to the next level. It's already growing at an insane rate, and somebody just needs to grab the reins. So if you are interested in learning more about this opportunity, I have the email address in the comments section or the notes section of the video. So feel free to check that out. If you are looking at getting started with pickup and delivery, Curbside is always happy to help out. So we've got a very successful laundromat over in Long Beach. We've helped hundreds of clients earn 5 figures per month. And we've got a number of clients as well hitting 6 figures a month as well. Again, we don't guarantee success, but we do provide guidance to help people reach that next level. Best of success finding the right buyer for this opportunity. My opinion, it is way too cheap, but if the seller's looking to sell quickly, maybe it's the right price. To learn more about the Curbside Laundries pickup and delivery and wash and fold and point of sale solution, go to curbsidelaundries.com. See you next time.